Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thanks a lot for joining me again. Today we're going to be looking at another plugin by UBDSP. Now, as per the previous video, Ben over at UBDSP has sent me this plugin for the purposes of review, but that doesn't affect my opinion on it, and UB don't get to see this video before it goes out, so my opinions are my own. That being said, for the purposes of transparency, yes, I got a copy of the plugin for free. What we're looking at today? We're looking at a plugin called Vowel Blender. Now, essentially what this does is it gives you that sort of Bon Jovi Living on a Prayer sound, the vocoder sound, and a few things in between. So let's jump into Pro Tools and let me show you what it's all about. Alright, so today we are in Pro Tools once again, and we're looking at the track Shadow Dancing by Rosellas. Now, their new EP has just dropped on all streaming platforms, so if you're a fan of the band and you want to give the boys some support, go and give it a listen, give it a stream, see what you think. We're going to mess around with it a little bit and see what Vowel Blender can do. So, first things first, let's have a look at bass guitar. So, let me walk you through the plugin. Basically, it is exactly what you think. You've got all of the vowels available, and you can drag this dial around to get the vowel sound that you want. And there's all kinds of cue and positions and mods and how much drive or delay that you can add modulators onto it, envelope filters, generators, step sequencers, all kinds of funky business. Like the previous plugin, it also has a loudness match, which is really great as an addition. And the presets are wild. So let's have a listen to the bass. Now, if you turn up snap, this is going to snap it to the nearest vowel. Which is going to make it sound more like it's talking almost. So if you wanted to, you could actually draw a custom automation in there. Now, if we look at some presets, what about talking bass? See, if you dial the mix back a little bit there, that actually doesn't sound too bad. You could probably get away with that in a mix as almost like a chorus in effect. I'm so far away. I'm so far from every day. The sunny side. I hope the rain don't. Only yesterday, it was only just another way. So, on bass, it's an instantaneous hit, right? Sounds amazing. Let's stick it on the whole rhythm guitar bus next. So if we search for Vowel Blender, there it is. Let's stick it on the whole guitar bus and let's see what presets we've got here. Creative, maybe. again, some of them results, I know it might sound a little bit ridiculous, right, but some of them results, they're not that far away from being completely usable. But I guess the thing that you'd probably most likely want to use it on is vocals, right? So let's solo out the vocals and let's have a listen to this.
I'm so far away, I'm so far from every day, the sunny side. I hope the rain don't keep me inside. It was only yesterday, it was only just another way to turn the tide and leave the rain behind. Understanding, final chance, and it's all romance when you're a shadow dancing. I won't let you down, I won't let the world around you fall apart. A shadow dancing in the dark, and I'm so far away, I'm so far from every day, the sunny side. I hope the rain don't keep me inside. It was only yesterday.
If you want to go with that chipmunk octave.
I'm so far away, I'm so far from every day, the sunny side. I hope the rain don't keep me inside. It was only yesterday, it was only just another way to turn the tide and leave the rain behind. I'm so far away.
So you can have like all these cool effects on. Now we've also got a Line 6 Echo Pro, which is a quarter note delay. So my question is, what happens with this delay if we put some wild effects on it before the delay actually happens?
I'm so far away, I'm so far from every day, the sunny side. I hope the rain don't keep me inside.
You see, that is a much cooler effect.
I'm so far away, I'm so far from every day, the sunny side. I hope the rain don't keep me inside. It was only yesterday, it was only just another way to turn the tide and leave the rain behind. Understanding, final chance, and it's all. I'm so far away, I'm so far from every day, the sunny side. I hope the rain don't keep me inside. It was only yesterday, it was only just another way to turn the tide and leave the rain behind. I'm so far away, I'm so far from every day, the sunny side. I hope the rain don't keep me inside. It was only yesterday, it was only just another way.
Pretty neat. I like what that's doing. There you go. And there we have it, folks. That was Vowel Blender by UBDSP. If you want to pick up a copy of Vowel Blender for yourself, head down to the link in the description below and that will take you right to the page where you can grab your copy. There's also a free trial available for those that want to try it out before committing to the spend. Overall, I think this is a really interesting plugin. Is it going to become part of my daily workhorse plugins? Probably not. It's a bit of a specialised thing, but for sound design, trailer music, and just sometimes when you want to try something funky, this is definitely up there, the top 5, let's say, plugins that I will reach to if I need something that sounds weird, because It does sound weird, but it sounds weird in a good way, I think. It has a vibe, it has a certain essence to it, which I really like what it does. It also harks back to like classic sounds like California Love, you know, that kind of thing, that vocoder sound, which it's perfectly capable of doing as well. I would say try it out, try it on a bunch of different sources, try it on things where you wouldn't necessarily think it might work. Percussion, for instance, piano. Try it on all sorts of things and you never know what you're going to discover. And that's the beauty of creative plugins like this. The options are limitless. That's going to be all for today. So thanks a lot for joining me again. And until we see each other next time, stay safe. Sorry, I meant to say be well.